BSF party, etc.
Myntri Rangbah jong kani ke Jylla konret ke sangma ulaya daya ke rai jong ke sorkar Jylla ban Khang ke jengwan ra ya ki Dohkha ke ban Nabar Jylla dah ke pensyai bela penjari ya kani ke jeng Khang persya na ke benta ke jeng pha jeng sngan jong nong song jong kani ke Jylla usang mau la ong baki dawai chemical khamtam e ke kenja dawai formalin la lap hakikat tu kat ni ki Dohkha bela di ha ki yo hat la ruban penken mau hang ni baka sorkar Jylla ka pratrik ubenai Jylla kala Khang ya ka dia ka thiet ki Dohkha belawan Nabar Jylla na ka benta khat sanski linter hadien bela lap lai photili ki Dohkha baki don ni ka dawai formalin ha ka juk ke porpan ka dor ka murjung ki Dohkha dok penat ki bami napo ka ni ka Jylla hi kilas dang ban ki artet.
Any kind of action being taken by administration in regards to food safety is for the safety of the citizens themselves. We have to realize that the chemicals that have been found in some of the fish that has been sold, where chemicals like formalin were found. Formalin is a chemical that is used to preserve dead bodies and is highly cancerous and very, very dangerous for human consumption. This should not be there in the fish. And hence, obviously, we understand that supply of fish and other materials and food items is necessary for the state, but the safety and the security and the health of our citizens comes priority to us.